I'm here with Ethan. Currently 11:45 at night. We're gonna go run some windy, twisty roads.
As I requested with my hate comment.
Yeah, as he requested with this hate comment saying, this isn't Touge, we need more switchbacks and hairpin. We're gonna take it slow, but we got the GoPros we're gonna mount up on the car. It'll be fun, we'll see. Alright, we're at the gas station right now. It's right behind me. We're gonna pick up a Red Bull for Ethan. He's right back there. He got his Red Bull. We are currently just in the middle of the street. Cars are just chilling on the side of the road. We're about to get the GoPros hooked up to them. Putting the one on the front of his car, and then we're putting the one on sort of like the top of my car-ish. I just don't have another solo suction cup mount, so we're using the little triple mount for the bird's eye view. All right, we're switching to the GoPros now, so that's it. I'm gonna try my best to sync these cameras up, being somewhere where they can both see me. Alright, we got a car coming, let's get inside and get the show on the road. GoPros are on!
right, we just got off the road. This is my second time doing it, but it's pretty much my first because we're going out instead of in. I was tearing it up.
He was
going
eating.
he was definitely going slow for me, but on the corners caught him. Straights dusted, just nothing. Can't even keep up.
That's not even a skill issue. That's just like 150 horsepower versus 300 horsepower type of issue. I'm gonna be honest. If we were both in the AE92, he takes it.
Dude,
he takes it every time.
It was going after it. I tuned up the suspension a little bit more for today. I hardened up the front and softened the rear. Dude, it was biting. Like, he could grab a corner and hold it, and he could just go through, like, all the way through 4th gear up to like 6 grand. Just ride it all the way through. And the engine wasn't putting up any like remorse. So hopefully this engine can hold another 50,000 until I drop a 4G in.